So what we got here is a Pollux 5. Got it from all the way to potting. It's a Euro-cylinder style. And got 5 pins. It's this beautiful key. As you can see, very, very nice. It does work great. Just really received it a couple of days ago. And well, we're gonna pick it today. Both sides are keyed alike. Alright. So let's try it. Okay, 5 and 1 are looking good so far. Let's go to 2. 1 is good. 2 is not good. Kind of overset it, I guess. I'm gonna release it. Okay, 1, 2. Got a little rotation here. One and 2 is good. 5 is stiff. I think I got too much tension on. Alright. Oh, we got it open! Woohoo! 5. Well, I'm not gonna turn it more because then it will like lock in the wrong direction. So that was a Pollux 5. It wasn't that hard. It's a nice lock. It's very nice. I can't gut it because I have to like open up stuff here. But yeah, well, Pollux 5 picked. Very, very nice. So, not too much tension. I'm gonna start with. Let me reset it really quick. Okay, let's start with pin 1. It's now floppy, that's good. Pin 2 is now floppy too. Going to 5. I think it's too deep. Now it looks great. I got a little rotation, counter rotation here. 2 is stiff again, now it's set. Let's go to 3. And we open. Wow, nice. But I don't need to touch 4, as it turns out. Well, it wasn't too bad, was it? Alright, let's turn it back. I can't gut it because I have to drill here and I don't want to do that. Alright, let's do it one more time, I hope. Alright, let's go. Let's do... Actually, this is like a paper clip. Some tape. I'm looking for a floppy position in like this. I'm going here. It's kind of floppy. Now it's floppy. I'm gonna set number 5. Pretty good. I got a little rotation. Now we're gonna set... Which one did I lose? I overset number 2. Alright, again. Alright, let's set number... Let me turn it a little so you can maybe see it better. What I'm doing. It's floppy. Floppy, floppy. Gonna attack 5 now. Ah, come on. Okay, I got a little rotation. I'm gonna go to 3, the top one. I believe it's only 1 again. Got a little rotation here. Will it be almost open again? Damn, it worked so great. I want to open it one more time for you guys. Okay, very light tension. One and 2 are set. Three is set. And I overset 5. But now I got a lot of rotation here, as you can see. The core moved. And 2 is not set yet. And we open. Alright, so I think I got this lock figured out now. I'm gonna try. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Let me see if I can show the picking process a little better. Alright, so there are the pins. Maybe I can, if I bend it like this. I don't know if I have the... Is that in focus? Probably not, huh? Alright, so now you see the nice pins here. Let me Alright, so let's see if I can pick it like this. So you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so what we're looking for is light tension. This lock is, this pin 1 is stiff, so we're gonna push it a little, and now it's floppy. You can see. And now we're going to pin 2, doing the same thing. Bring it to a floppy state. Pretty floppy. I don't know why I don't have to touch pin 4, but I don't. Not too much tension, because then you cannot set the pins. Now it's floppy. I lost pin 2, as you can see. Now it's good again. Alright, so now we're gonna attack pin 5. Now you've seen my little rotation there. My pin 1, I believe, is now still floppy. It's good. Pin 2 is good. And we open. I hope you could see what was happening there. Alright. Well, that's it for the Pollux 5. Picked and not got it. Because, yeah, right now I would need to undo this little bolts and take everything apart and stuff. I don't want to do that. Not right now. Well, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.